Alright boys, welcome back to another just under 3 weeks out of my first ever Paladins competition. This is a bench and deadlift day. Here is some lovely tempo bench, 130 kilos on the bar, moving pretty nicely. We have about 20 days from this video date, which now is about 16 days till my first competition. Feeling confident but not overly optimistic. My body is feeling a little bit tanked from this hot weather the UK is experiencing right now. 180 or is it 100? I can't see the weight basically. Your 0.5 zoom really ruins it. Here is 50 kilos on the flat dumbbell press, moving pretty nicely. The weather is just horrible at the moment for training in. It is just boiling all day. I'm recording this at 1 AM right now and it is still boiling in my room. I have a fan on and I just cannot cool down. But anyway boys, I hope you all are enjoying the British summer weather if you are in Britain. If not, hope you're enjoying whatever you're doing with your lives, and I'll catch you boys next time. Peace out.